of these dressings only take 5 minutes to make, I promise. Hey peeps, I eat a huge salad every day. I do it because it makes me feel awesome. But this habit isn't easy to keep up unless my salads feel delicious.
So meet some delicious secret weapons named strawberry vinaigrette, mango vinaigrette, Russian fig, and vegan ranch.
There are 4 ingredients that you need to make a delicious salad dressing: a fat, a vinegar, a sweetener or herb flavoring, and a fruit or a vegetable. In our strawberry vinaigrette, we're going to use olive oil as our fat, vinegar, red wine as our vinegar, maple syrup as our sweetener, and frozen strawberries as the fruit. So we're just gonna dump these right into a bullet. All right, when that's finished, you can either dump it directly on a beautiful salad you have prepared, or you can save it for later. Try it with frozen mango and apple cider vinegar. Awesome! Okay, for the Russian dressing, we're going to use almonds as our fat, plums or figs as your sweetener, balsamic vinegar as the vinegar, and pasta sauce as the vegetable. About a cup. This recipe makes about 4 cups. For our vegan ranch dressing, we're going to use cashews as the fat. Alternatively, you could use sour cream, apple cider vinegar, and then seasonings for the rest of it. For the cashews, they need to be squishy, which usually means soaking overnight, but I always freaking forget this step. So we're gonna use about a cup of cashews, and we're gonna dump boiling water over them that I just boiled in the microwave. About 2 cups of water. Now that the cashew base, cashews and water, is all blended up, we're going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar to it, a couple tablespoons maybe, and the rest of our seasonings, starting with a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of mustard, a teaspoon of garlic, a tablespoon of parsley, about a teaspoon of basil, and about a teaspoon of thyme. For most folks, salt is a necessary part of their salad dressings, and it would be missing in a ranch dressing without salt. If you don't have salt in your life, you can use a little bit of lemon juice instead, a little bit of kelp powder maybe, but I am gonna put salt in this recipe because it's something my family still really enjoys.
Don't limit this dressing to only salads. Also try it on steamed veggies or baked potatoes.
All of these dressings will last about 2 or 3 days in the fridge before they start getting funky. So either use them on salads that you're planning this week, share them with your family, or freeze them.
I hope you get lost in a delicious, huge salad really soon. Thanks for making dressings with me today. And remember that you can
choose freedom. Oh, freedom tastes good.